Just sitting out here for any amount of time is a blessing, really. In a way that you can volunteer is to just spend time with the animals because they thrive on social relationships just like we do. Hi, I'm Harrison. I'm a volunteer here. I've been volunteering a little over 2 years. If you've never heard of Vindra Loca before, it's an animal sanctuary for animals that have been or would have been farmed otherwise, and it's a place for them to live their lives peacefully. The mission here is about showing compassion to those animals, and in turn it helps teach humans about compassion that we can show each other. When I'm here on Sundays, I'm usually cleaning the barn behind me. I'm usually cleaning the horse and the mule stalls. Every now and then, produce sorting. We actually get a lot of our produce donated, and from there, it's just kind of going through, making sure that the stuff that we're going to be giving the animals is appropriate for them. You start with tasks that are very general, very easy, and sort of the more time you spend here, the more you kind of get shown the ropes, so to speak. Different pieces of equipment, different tools, different animals. I didn't need any training just to start, but you definitely learn and get trained along the way. What I like is I can come here, I can do something good, and I can see the help that I'm doing. You know, when I clean this, it's clean. I like to live in a clean place, and so do they. And you develop relationships with people and with animals, and that's great. Selfishly, it's just a bit of my own inner peace, you know? I mean, I enjoy helping the animals and creating relationships with the people that work here and volunteer here, but for me, it's just I get to feel relaxed and at peace when I leave here.